When Fenesta drew up its plans to launch UPVC windows in India, it could have taken the easy route. It could have copied the windows of Europe and sold them at a premium. But Fenesta knew transplanting European window technologies in India would never work. European window makers, or for that matter, Chinese window makers, are not challenged by prolonged onslaughts of ultraviolet rays, tropical heat, monsoon storms, coastal winds, and 95% humidity.
No other company has been able to track changing skylines and attitudes in the manner of Fenesta.
These tall structures require exceptionally strong windows.
Let's begin with the most significant innovation of all, the Villa window, the world's first UPVC window that can be fitted with a bug mesh and a grille in a single frame. Now, some of you might ask, what's so special about that? A traditional wooden window has both these features. But remember, wood doesn't have inbuilt strength and it decays, while UPVC lives on and on.
Which is why wooden windows can't be made in these sizes. Fenesta can. It can span entire balconies and replace entire walls. It also allows you to create corner windows with glass-to-glass joints.
There are other milestones too, starting with the Fenesta UPVC formulation. This blend has special additives, titanium dioxide for color stability, impact modifiers for additional strength, and heat stabilizers to nullify the effect of high temperatures. All these add up to exceptional weather endurance. India's changing skyline inspired another innovation. The hurricane bar was developed to withstand high-velocity winds that lash high-rise buildings. For rain-prone areas, Fenesta introduced 3 new window drainage systems. These inventions, the gradient slope, the rain track, and the sill arrangement, prevent rainwater seepage through windows, a common occurrence in conventional windows.
The exceptional strength of Fenesta has led to innovations in size. Exceptionally large windows that span balconies and rise from the floor to the ceiling are now possible. Apart from Fenesta, no other window company has had the ability to innovate India-centric features.
Made in India, made for India, made for you. There's more to come. World-class service. Don't go away.